Hey there, it's Antonio from TruOI, and I'm thrilled to have you here for another exciting episode of Building Like a TruOI Engineer. In today's episode, we're unveiling a game changing feature that will redefine your dashboard interactions. Allow me to introduce you to interactive intelligence. At its core, interactive intelligence is designed to automatically identify similar data points across your dashboard. This ingenious tool empowers you to seamlessly navigate through various charts by interacting with just one data point. Imagine you're in a Monday morning presentation, you're deciphering a data rich dashboard for your team, and among the sea of information, a particular data point stands out. Maybe it's a surge in sales, a geographic anomaly, or a sudden spike in user engagement. Cue up interactive intelligence. With a simple interaction, that single data point expands across all KPIs in your dashboard. Insights begin to materialize. Correlations, trends, and patterns emerge, revealing that rich story behind the numbers, all of it effortlessly orchestrated by interactive intelligence. And here's the kicker: interactive intelligence is seamlessly integrated and automatically enabled by default on all of your dashboards. Getting started is a breeze. To set up interactive intelligence, ensure that the charts involved share a common x axis. Remember, the x axis labels should match precisely, even if the other axes differ. Now let's bring it to life with an example. Consider an operational scorecard tailored for a manufacturing company. Before I begin, I want you to pay attention to the following areas. These are the charts that have been designed with interactive intelligence in mind. Observe how effortlessly I interact with different regions on the map, and instantaneously the entire dashboard responds in harmony. You might recall in our last episode where we took you through building out one of these tile groupings. Well, this feature serves as the glue that binds it all together. In this example, it empowers the user to swiftly make insightful business decisions by quickly identifying each region's performance in any one of the displayed KPIs. If you have any questions or any case studies you want to share, feel free to reach out to your dedicated client success manager. They can even schedule sessions with their skilled solution engineers, ensuring you make the most of interactive intelligence's capabilities. And there you have it. Interactive intelligence, a tool that transforms data exploration into a seamless and insightful journey. Stay tuned for more valuable TruOI tips and tricks.